Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is Indian monuments. Monuments play an important role in telling the story of India's rich culture and heritage or history. Monuments were frequently built to mark an important occasion or event in history. Over time, they become important symbol of different periods of history. Let's talk about monuments of India. Qutub Minar. The Qutub Minar is red sandstone tower in Delhi. It is 72.5 meter tall. It was built in 1193 by Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. Humayun's Tomb. Humayun's Tomb is a creation that shows blend of Persian architecture and Indian traditions built in the 16th century. The tomb is a square structure in red sandstone and is World Heritage Site. Fatehpur Sikri, built in the 16th century by Emperor Akbar. Fatehpur Sikri, the city of the victory, is a complex of monuments and temples. It also contains one of the largest mosques in India, the Jami Masjid. The Parliament House in New Delhi opened in 1927. It is a circular structure and has 144 pillars and broad corridors. The world's largest democracy function from this building. Sun Temple. The Sun Temple, situated in the eastern state of Odisha, is constructed as chariot with 7 horses, symbolizing the 7 days of week, and 12 pair of wheels, symbolizing the 12 months of year, which carry the sun god Surya across the heavens. The temple was built by King Narasimha Dev of Eastern Ganga dynasty to celebrate a military victory. UNESCO has declared this temple as World Heritage Site. Taj Mahal. Built on the bank of river Yamuna, the Taj Mahal was constructed between 1631 to 1653, a World Heritage Site today. It was built by Shah Jahan in loving memory of his wife, Mumtaz Mahal. This white marble wonder has a central dome that is 73 meters high. The structure combines the Persian, Indian, Islamic and Turkish style of architecture. India Gate. The iconic India Gate, an arch gate made using sandstone, is a war memorial situated in the Rajpath area, Delhi. It was built to commemorate the undivided British Army, also known as British Indian Army, soldiers who laid down their lives during the First World War and the Third Anglo-Afghan War of 1990. So let's talk about facts about the monuments of India. Number 1. Uttar Pradesh has the maximum monuments. It has 3,685 monuments. Number 2. India has 116 monuments that are World Heritage Site. Number 3. Sanchi Stupa is the oldest Indian monuments. Number 4. Taj Mahal is the most visited place of India. Number 5. Delhi has the most number of monuments as a city. It has 174 monuments. Number 6. Tallest bricks building is Qutub Minar. Number 7. Qutub Minar is also called Raja Prithvi Raj Temple. Number 8. Char Minar was built to commemorate the end of plague. Number 9. India Gate official name is Delhi Memorial. Number 10. Char Minar's timekeeper clock from 1889. Kids, which monuments would you like to visit? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the monuments of India. Part 1. If you like my video, please like it and share it and subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.